Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, today I'm going to make ginger beer, and unlike traditional ginger beer, this one does not require any brewing, so it's really quick and easy to make. And you'll find it really gives a nice ginger kick as well. It's actually really worth trying to include ginger regularly in your diet because ginger has such an impressive list of health benefits, and it's actually been used in traditional medicine for centuries as remedy for like fighting off flus or colds or other viruses and bacteria. It's also been used for healing pain and also for calming nausea and aiding to get rid of indigestion. It actually really does boost the immune system in that it can fight off bacteria and virus. And if you do happen to get like a cold or flu or something and you take ginger, it can help you speed up your recovery really quickly as well. It's also worth mentioning too that if you do have diabetes, ginger has been shown to help lower blood sugar, so it's a good plus for people like me who have diabetes. Alright, to start our ginger beer we're going to need a piece of ginger root, so maybe about that big or a little bit smaller. I've got some, just peel it, and I got some already peeled and cut up here. So I'm just going to grate some of those, just roughly grate them. So we have some nicely grated ginger, and you can vary the quantity according to your taste, but I really like ginger and it gives a really good ginger hit when you drink it. So we'll just put that in the blender. Now we're just going to use some orange juice, so you need about half a medium orange, which will make about a quarter cup of juice. So what I usually do, I mean you can use a juicer if you want to, but I just usually just squeeze it in like this and then just use a spoon to go around like that. And that way you get out the pulp as well, so you don't waste the pulp, because the pulp is also obviously really good for you. There's a lot of fibre in it, so we don't really want to waste that. So there you see I've scraped all the flesh and juice out of that. So just put that aside. I'm going to add about a quarter cup of water, and I'm going to add in a little bit of ground ginger. You know, like I said, the amount of ginger is can be varied according to your personal taste, but it's beneficial to have it quite strong. As I said, it's really good for your health. But if you're not really used to ginger, you can reduce the quantity a little bit. So you can put in like half a teaspoon, but I usually put in a whole teaspoon. For sweetness, because of course ginger beer is traditionally a bit sweet, we'll just add a little maple syrup. So about 1 to 2 teaspoons. It really depends again on personal taste. So I'll just put in a couple there. You could add a little bit more if you like it a bit sweeter. But I would say rather than make the sugar quantity too high, reduce the ginger a little bit instead, because we don't really want to over-consume the sugar. So that's all we need to do, and we're just going to blend it till it's fairly smooth. Okay, well that's all blended now, and that's what it looks like. So now all you have to do is pour it into 1 or 2 or more glasses, depending how strong you like your ginger beer. So I'll just divide it into 2 here. Right, and now I have some sparkling mineral water. So I'm just going to top them up with this. That's when it really looks like ginger beer. So there we have our lovely natural homemade ginger beer that was, as you see, it's very quick and easy. So, and if you like ginger, you're definitely going to like this. But if you aren't really that keen on ginger, still give it a try, because like I said, it's really good for you. And it actually does make a really nice, refreshing drink on a warm day too. And obviously you can add some ice to that too if you like. So, cheers and enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.